It is green. Green is the color of the day. So I'm here at Goodwill again, and the only reason I stopped is because my daddy wants to go. He's kind of cool. Well, those lighted Santa or reindeer are gone. It was a good deal. So he's really cute. I was just looking to see, and I don't mean to pull his pants down. I want to see the price. See if we can do another $20. I don't see a year. I don't see it. It's only $4. I don't know if he works. Does he have a... Huh. He's very cute. His cap is off. Is he supposed to be holding something? I'm not sure. These are very colorful stockings. Very colorful. All right, so green is the color we're supposed to be looking for today. Little tree topper. All right, let's get our card. This is cute. It looks like he's awfully cute, though. And he's green. It's half price. Where is he made? I don't know where he is made, but he's really cute, and I like him. He's not broken. We're going to put him in the cart. And what else do we have? Some dance dishes. How much are they? They're 99 cents. Only 4. But I do like them. We're going to put those in the cart for now.